I like to look for businesses that are growing their cash flows, have strong balance sheets, and are servicing the demand at the time. And, it's true that we have inflation and there's a lot of concern about a recession. I don't see any of that in the short term. I mean, I'm living in the real world here with over 30 private companies in our portfolio in almost every geography in the US. Right now, things are booming. Sales are on fire. Cash flows are better than they've ever been. And I know we should be pessimistic, but I can't get there right now because I'm trying to hire people and I can't find them. Try and find a server in Los Angeles for a kitchen operation. Minimum wage $15. I have to pay $25 in some cases just to get them to come to work. So there's a lot of demand at all levels for employment. So I'm not that worried about the classic recession.
Amidst the recent market sell-off and increasing bearish sentiments among investors and market experts, Canadian venture capitalist and businessman Kevin O'Leary believes there are still multiple opportunities for investors in the financial markets. In a recent interview with CNBC, O'Leary discusses the high inflation, the possibility of a recession, and how investors can take advantage of the current market environment. While other market experts are almost certain that we are already in a recession, O'Leary points out that there are many market indicators that state otherwise. The entrepreneur declares that he is forging ahead with his investments and is not worried about the classic recession. Please listen as O'Leary shares important insights for everyone looking to reduce their risk exposure during this highly volatile period. Also, ensure you hit the like button and share your views about the interview in the comments section below. Enjoy the video.
Energy prices, well, that was self-inflicted. We shouldn't have canceled pipelines. That was bad policy. It can be fixed. Supply chains will be fixed as well. So right now, if I were to buy stocks, which I am doing because you can't time the market, Becky. Today's a good example. If you were not in the market today, you don't know which of the 20 or 30 days in the next 12 months give you all the returns. Today was one of them. So trying to time the market in volatility is next to impossible. But let's take something like Service Corp. Now, maybe people don't know it, but it's probably the biggest funeral operator in America. Guess what? In recessions, people keep dying. Who knew? And their business is recession-proof. And they have strong cash flows, a good balance sheet. BG, Bunge, you talked about food concerns. 80 supply chains, all kinds of specialized grains and oils all across America. Fantastic. Nestle in Switzerland, a European company in Swiss francs, this new act Biden just signed? It's all Nestle. All that stuff is coming from there. Nestle's supplying all the baby formula and the baby formula 2002 act or whatever he's calling it. Why not own that company when we're out of baby formula? These are big opportunities, Becky, all through the market that are going to perform very well regardless of inflation.
Of the company stocks that you're picking, does any of it have to do with stocks that have come down pretty significantly? I know you talked about Facebook or I guess I should say Meta and Google being two companies. Do you look at these things and say, hey, this is a bargain versus where we were a year ago?
Yes, I do. I say to myself, okay, what's happened here is in many cases, growth rates have not slowed. They're forecasted to slow, but it hasn't happened yet. I think in Q4, we're actually going to beat the estimates that analysts have taken down. Maybe they're forecasting 5%. My bet is it's more like 7, 8, 9% growth for this calendar year. And then all of a sudden you turn the switch into 2023 and say the recession hits hard. I don't think so. This is going to be an inoculated recession. It's already had a vaccine in so many ways. There's so much of the $4.5 trillion that was poured into this market still in the pockets of consumers, and they haven't had a chance to spend it yet because we have a disrupted supply chain. I've been through many of these cycles. This one is unique. And I'm not going to get too bearish because if I went back to 2020 and looked at what happened in that year, that volatility, the 1,000-point days up and down, in a matter of 23 days, the entire returns were found. So if you're not in the market for those 23 days, and who knows how many will be in this cycle, you're not going to get any returns. So I'd argue to people, look, taking advantage of this correction, a Johnson & Johnson, a Pfizer, Google or Meta, and Meta in case of the old Facebook, these are companies that are still cash flowing, massive balance sheets. Technology is not going away. Look at Zoom today. Everybody thought, this corrected over 78%. And yet they beat their numbers. People are still using these technologies. They're just paying less for them on a PE basis. And that's a gift the market's giving you right now.
Here is Kevin O'Leary essentially declaring that the situation may not be as worse as we believe. He also states that it would be impossible to know when the markets will make a quick turn around then relapse as they did in 2022. As such, O'Leary urges investors to avoid trying to time the markets. Though his ideas are slightly different from what other market experts are saying, there might be some merit to them. For example, the Federal Reserve has pledged to increase interest rates significantly and get a hold on inflation. If the intervention is timely, adequate, and well thought out, there is good reason to believe that we might not slip into a recession. Today's video is sponsored by KuCoin, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. KuCoin is a leading social trading platform that offers users the opportunity to interact with professional crypto traders and investors around the globe. The platform offers a lot of perks to users, including relatively low fees, a wide range of coin offerings, and other benefits of a world-class, safe, and secured cryptocurrency exchange. That is why 1 in 4 crypto holders around the world trust KuCoin with their assets. At least 5 unique features set KuCoin apart from other crypto exchanges. The first is the platform's generous 500 USDT welcome bonus for all users. When you register on BitGet, you could be one of the lucky winners of the 500 USDT surprise welcome bonus. KuCoin also offers a comprehensive futures trading platform with a wide range of USDT margin and coin margin trading pairs and maximum exposure to all the top crypto trading pairs in Metaverse, NFT, and DeFi tokens. You could also take advantage of various professionally trading bots and a professionally designed world-class asset manager that helps crypto investors make stable profits. KuCoin Earn is a one-stop wealth management service that offers users various financial products so you can quickly increase the value of your crypto holdings. You can enjoy all these and more cool features without having to submit to a KYC verification process. Enjoy all these and more benefits by clicking the link in the description box below to get started. Do you have any comments and observations about O'Leary's interview? Please share them below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Everything helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can bring you more recent updates on the crypto market. Thanks for watching.